Hey Shane, my name is Daniel Bug with Digital Vortex Media, and we are a marketing agency. I happen to be doing some research in the area, and I came across your website, and I figured I'd shoot this quick video on 3 things you can do today to start beating your competition online. I don't want to waste your time, and I don't want to waste mine either. So if by the end of this video you'd like to know more about how Digital Vortex Media can help grow your business online, give me a call and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul. Take the tips I've given you and put them into action for yourself. All I ask is that you give some feedback on this video if you don't mind. So let's get into it. The 3 things I want to go over today are content, citations, and backlinks. First thing, content. And that's basically everything that you see on your homepage, to include your pictures, what the pictures are saved as, and what's behind the pictures. So a good example of that would be, this picture right here. Right click, save image as, and it's unnamed. So you'd want to name this something as, something that goes along with your business. So either your business name or, mobile welding or, fence weld, something like that. That'd be a good, any major keyword that you'd like to use to name this picture. Also, Google likes for a page to have around 1,500 words of content to be optimized for Google searches. The key thing here is making sure you have enough unique, relevant, high quality content on the homepage to add in those keywords and key phrases that people are searching for that are specific to your services in order to help you guys get found on Google. Overall though, nice looking website. You have a lot of pictures, which is great. Let's see how this one's saved. Yeah, so I would recommend saving those pictures as keywords so that we can get more searches to your page, and then just adding in some more content about, what you offer or things like that. So the next thing that I want to go over is citations. So here on the Google search, I searched Welding Temple Texas, and typically you might see some sponsored ads up here. This one, there weren't any for them. But this right here is your Google Map Pack or Google My Business. And this is where Google uses your name, address, and phone number that's entered into directories to rank your business accordingly. So a good example of a directory, and this is y'all, would be birdeye.com, and you have about 2 citations. Your number one competitor, though, Glenn's Welding, they have about 16 citations, and so we can actually see what directories they're using, and we can go after those and submit for those directories as well. Overall, though, I believe y'all were 7th on the Google My Business. 7th, yep. So just adding more citations and optimizing your Google My Business page. This right here, optimizing this is a great way to outrank your customers on the Google My Business side of things. Lastly, I want to go over backlinks. That's another important aspect from Google. So after this Google Map Pack, you have your organic search. So this weld supply, I believe, doesn't really relate to like your competition. So Cox Welding is your other competition, and so let's look at their page. They have a little bit more content. You have more pictures, so very easy to beat them. They have about maybe 100 words of content right here, so that's super easy. But so Google uses this tool, uses backlinks to rank websites on Google, and something called link juice. And link juice is simply put is when site A is pointing to site B, and therefore site A is acting like the link juice, which gives site B more authority in Google's eyes. It's almost like a popularity contest. But there's more to it than that. The link juice that you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back at you. For example, just for the welding service that you offer, top 10 like this right here, best 10 weldings in Temple, things like that, or something of this variety, or another welding blog or something that's talking about your business is a great example of more authoritative link juice. Whereas if you had something about like a pizza place and they mentioned you coming in to weld their do some welding jobs for them, that is not as effective because Google just sees it as a pizza website, a pizza blog, or something that's mentioning you, and so it doesn't hold as much weight as if someone were actually reviewing other welders, essentially. So pulling this back up, this is Arabs. Arabs buys their data from Google when Google crawls a page just to get this information. So this is y'all's website. You have about 0 backlinks, no referring domains, about 2 keywords, and 0 clicks of traffic. So when we look at your competition, they have about 4 backlinks, 3 domains, 4 keywords, and about 7 clicks of traffic. Very easy to beat them, especially with you being mobile. I would recommend targeting other locations as well, so that way we can bring in a lot more traffic to your website and get more business going. But let's see what backlinks they have. We could also go after the backlinks that they're using. Maybe this would probably be a good one, or so we can also go after the backlinks that they're using and other backlinks as well. So in closing, we went over your front page needs at least 1,500 words or so of content to rank for Google. Citations, you want to have about 200 to 300 to beat your competition by a landslide. And then link juice, you need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google that you are the authority. And if you do these things today, you can be #1 across Google, as well as bringing in additional business to your company. You can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and you want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 254-669-1392. Once again, my name is Daniel Bug, and my number is 254-669-1392. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great one.